we'll start working on section 1.2. So again, the same process, we start a new terminal to Honda activate GDAL to activate the GDAL environment. And once we're there, we navigate to the directory where we have our data package. And we do ls or dir to check we are in the correct place. And then we go to the SRTM folder. Here we have this merged conc and merge.tiff. These are the files we created yesterday. Now we'll start working on the section 1.2, processing elevation data. So if you have elevation data like a DEM, GDAL provides you with additional utilities that allow you to create some products out of those DEM files. Let's see what those are. We can use a tool called GDAL dem. So let's go to the GDAL documentation. Here we have this program called GDAL dem. This program has multiple tools that you can invoke from the same program. So you have the general syntax is GDAL dem mode. So it supports, there are many sub tools. You can say what tool you want to use from GDAL dem, input and output, and some options. Okay. The syntax is similar. The command name, input and output options. Here there's an additional parameter, what mode, because this command contains multiple sub commands inside of that. What other stuff you can do? You can create hillshade. So hillshade is a visualization where you take an elevation data and create a visual map to highlight the terrain. And this is used widely as a base map. So you say, I want to show what my terrain looks like. This hillshade will create a visualization of this. You can compute slope. So at every pixel, what is the slope compared to the neighboring pixels? Aspect, and what's the direction of the slope. You can create a color relief map, colorize your DEM. So by default, it'll be black and white data. You can add some color and show different elevations with different colors. You can compute some index, something called terrain ruggedness index, how rough the terrain is. There's a topographic position index. Again, all of this index are computed using raster data. If you need to create some of that, you can use this tool directly to do this. Let's learn how this tool works by creating a hillshade first.